Welcome, everyone, to this micro training on the benefits and uses of online interactive whiteboards. In today's digital world, these tools have become invaluable for both educators and professionals. Let's explore how they can enhance your teaching, presentations, and collaborative work. An online interactive whiteboard is a digital tool that simulates the experience of a physical whiteboard or chalkboard, but offers a range of dynamic features. It's essentially a black canvas that can come to life with your ideas and content. Let's check out some of the benefits. Enhanced engagement. Online interactive whiteboards make learning and presentations more engaging. They allow you and your participants to draw, write, and interact directly with the content, keeping your audience focused and active. Our second benefit is collaborative learning and work. These whiteboards enable collaboration in real time. Multiple users can contribute simultaneously, making them ideal for group projects, brainstorming sessions, and team meetings. Our final benefit is digital content integration. You can import digital documents, presentations, videos, diagrams, and web content directly into the whiteboard. This versatility makes it easy to incorporate multimedia elements into your teaching or presentations. In education, online interactive whiteboards can transform teaching. Instructors can create interactive lessons, annotate diagrams, and share resources with students, fostering a more interactive and personalized learning experience. This applies whether it's an online or in person class. For the business side of the house, professionals can use whiteboards for impactful presentations and interactive meetings. You can visualize data, sketch out ideas, hold brainstorming sessions, and collaborate with remote team members, making your meetings more compelling and productive. Here are some tips for effectively using an interactive whiteboard. Tip 1: prepare your content. Plan your content in advance and organize it to maximize the whiteboard's potential. This includes creating engaging visuals and interactive elements. Tip 2 is to interact actively. Encourage participants to interact actively, encouraging questions, discussions, and participation to keep everyone engaged. And lastly, practice. Spend some time getting familiar with the whiteboard software and tools. Practice will help you use it more effectively and relieve any stress or tension you have when you start using it with your students the first time. Remember, online interactive whiteboards offer a wide range of benefits, from engagement and collaboration to seamless integration of digital content. Whether you're an educator or a professional, these tools can evaluate your work and presentations.